So this one is for sharing the screen.
Yes.
Share the screen.
Okay, I've gotten the notification.
Share the screen.
Yes, sir.
So
You can choose the window so that people will not see your screen.
share the screen. So you can choose the window so that people will see your screen. Share the screen. So so that
Yeah.
welcome to the Electrical and Electronic Engineering Lecture Series. Your anchor person is Professor Michael Sindinechi. Our topic today is Module 014, Types and Structure of General Purpose Computers, Part 7. Today, we'll be looking at the papers where we have talked about the hardware and the software. Today, we will quickly look at the papers where that's the computer professionals associated with use of computers. So a computer professional is one who has become proficient in any area of computer studies. In any computer environment, people are involved in different ways according to their area of specialization. It could be in the system analysis, system operations, system programming, system maintenance, sales, and data processing. Others can just be classified as users. A user is anyone who comes into contact directly or indirectly with a computer system. But before we continue, please follow me in this engineering lecture series by subscribing to my YouTube channel at https slash youtube.com slash at C. Like, share, and drop your comments in the comment section or reach out to me using my email addresses. You can also listen to part 1 to 6 of this module at my YouTube channel. Like we are saying, the term user is generally applied to persons who interact directly with computers using any one of the application's software. Typical users of application software include secretaries, accountants, managers, engineers, etc. Examples of application software include any spreadsheet program like Excel, Lotus 123, database management systems, Microsoft Word, MATLAB, and many others. The people who work in any computer environment can be classified into groups to describe some of their common characteristics. The first group are the systems operators. Once a system has been designed, documented, and programmed, and starts to be used for routine operation, it becomes the responsibility of the system operators. Operators are expected to keep a log recording of the utilization of machine time and to report any issues resulting in the loss of machine time. They keep records of whether this downtime arose through mechanical failures or defects in input data or program codes. The operator has a continuous two-way flow of work, which include collecting source data and sending out reports. Also, the operator must work to quite rigid timetable. He must ensure that reports are available when required. He must ensure that input data is ready for processing when needed, and he must ensure efficient and effective usage of available machine time. The next group of people are the systems analysts. A system analyst is a computer professional who starts from a complex problem and breaks it down into smaller units so as to tackle the problem and arrive at a result. The system analyst aims at the design of a system that can be so processed. This entails three main functions. One, investigation into and analysis of existing systems. Two, the design of systems for computer application to attain predetermined aims. Three, the implementation of the new system. Success in the investigation and design of a system depends to a large extent on the ability of the systems analyst to enlist the cooperation of member of staff involved. The analyst must therefore be a person who can mix easily with people and communicate effectively. Other qualities required of an analyst include capacity for logical thinking, a high standard of accuracy, patience, tact, and ability to record his work clearly and concisely. System analysts usually have three main tasks, which include forward planning, that is, investigation of systems that are planned for the fairly distant future. Secondly, current development, that is, the detailed specification of systems planned for implementation in the near future. And thirdly, implementation of the system. The next in the group are the programmers. Programmers usually take over when the analyst has completed the design of a new computer system and has documented the design in the form of system specifications. Programmers develop the codes that make the hardware perform the functions specified by the analyst. Programmers are often referred to as coders. Two qualities required of a programmer are: one, ability to reason logically and to pay very careful attention to details. And two, ability to document programs with complete accuracy to conform with recognized standards. The next are the systems engineers. These are the people that maintain the system, service them, and carry out troubleshooting when the system is down. The system engineer is responsible for hardware, is responsible for hardware specifications to meet the needs of a particular user. With a vast knowledge in computer hardware and their working relationship with the peripheral devices, the systems engineer is the best person to be the sales representative of a computer vendor. Now, let us quickly look at job opportunities in the digital economy era, powered by proficiency in computer technology. As you may be aware, knowledge of computer is reshaping every aspect of the economy, and that has brought us to the era of digital economy era. And this is solely powered by computer technology. So you must be proficient in one area or the other in computer technology to be relevant in the digital economy era. So we start by saying that the International Labour Organization ILO has persisted that ICT related industries recorded a high employment during the COVID-19 pandemic. People that era saw many people working from home. People without adequate computer knowledge found themselves in obvious disadvantage. Without doubt, there was digital skill gap in both developed and developing economies, with attendant variance in wages and job opportunities at that time. This skills gap has continued to widen even more in the post-COVID-19 era. Therefore, the digital economy era will continue to be driven by emerging and disruptive technology jobs in the following sectors: the big data analytics, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, coding with relevant tools, app development, 3D printing, cloud computing, blockchain technology, cybersecurity, fintech companies, embedded systems, printed circuit board designs, microprocessor programming, and so on and so forth. Now, before we leave today, we'll be having subsequent live lectures on computers, all aspect of computers, all aspect of electrical and electronic engineers. You are free to reach out to me in the comment section and drop your comments. If there are areas you want me to talk on, if there are questions, I free to will be free to ask and I will provide answers. But from now on, my listeners, my viewers will be having live program. So please subscribe so that you know when we are going to have the next lecture, live lectures. Thank you for listening. So, and sorry, did you